Hi all, welcome to Eduflare Academy. So we are discussing our previous year questions from chapter 6 Piaget, Kohlberg, Vygotsky critical perspectives. So in the last class we concluded by discussing Piaget theory of cognitive development, and also we discussed this question and the answer. We discussed the different stages proposed by Piaget and futures of these stages. This is very important. Okay, once again, there are 4 stages: sensory motor stage, pre-operational stage, concrete operational stage, and formal operational stage. Sensory motor, birth to 2 years, pre-operational 2 to 7 years, concrete operational 7 to 11 years or 12 years, and 12 year onwards formal operational stage. And the specific characteristics related to these each stages are very important. During sensory motor stage, the child understand world through senses and actions. Okay, in the first stage, senses play very important role in learning. The second stage, pre-operational stage, the child understand world through language and mental images. In the concrete operational stage, understand world through logical thinking, which is very important. The logical thinking come under the third stage of Piaget theory of cognitive development. And the formal operational stage, understand the world through hypothetical thinking or abstract thinking or scientific reasoning. These will take place in the fourth stage of Piaget theory of cognitive development. Okay, so here we already discussed Kohlberg theory and the importance of that theory. So the second important theory is Piaget theory of cognitive development. Okay, so when we move to our next question, question number 6, rearranging schemas. This is another important area. Assimilation, accommodation, organization. This is an important area. So the question is rearranging schemas, linking them with the other schemas, that is schemas, not it's actually spelling mistake, to create a strongly interconnected cognitive system in Piaget theory is referred to as. So the rearranging schema and linking that rearranging schema with the other schemas. Okay, so which is known as assimilation, accommodation, organization, and maturation. Okay, so you can pause your video and try to find out yourself. So let's move on the answer. So here the correct answer is organization. So I'm give the explanation of other options also. So what do you mean by assimilation? Fitting new information into existing schemas, that is assimilation. Okay, so in Piaget theory, I'm already give detailed note with example related to this assimilation, accommodation, and equilibration. Okay, so you need to refer that notes. Here the same just an explanation I'm giving here. Fitting new information into existing schema, which is known as assimilation. Example, when a child sees a zebra and call it a horse. Accommodation, modifying the existing schemas to include new information. Example, child learns zebra is different from horse. What is organization? It is the internal process rearranging and linking schemas into a coherent interconnected system. Example, a child connects schemas of animals, that is zebra, horse, cow, into a broader mammals category. Okay, so this is the answer. So this is our session from chapter 6 Piaget, Kohlberg, and Vygotsky. These 3 theories are very important. We can expect any questions from these theories, so you need to study these 3 psychological theories in a proper manner. Okay, so hope you understand the questions and their answers. Okay, thank you.